Hello, welcome back. Last time we were here, the other day, we got all of the foam ripped out of the exposed floor. Sorry about the noisy heater. It is minus 30 here and the shop is struggling to stay warm. So today I'm gonna come in here and take care of all of this old bench. It's kind of all busted down and just rotten, worn out. This hull is, or this boat is built out of a 77 Starcraft. What is it? Read that. It's a 77 Starcraft hull, so it's old. So I'm going to pull all of this stuff out and salvage all of the aluminum. As you can see, stuff like this, like it's just sort of rotten. So I'm going to replace it all and make her like new, so we can have a cutout the same shape that'll fit on them boards, make a bed, and also I'll rob a receptacle for here on the floor and on the bottom of the table board, so we can make or out of the bed board so we can make a table. So first thing I'm going to start doing is start drilling out all of these rivets everywhere. Take all of these boards apart, these top boards. I'm going to get at her. Well, fuck. Guess the rest of that's coming off. So, coming along pretty good. It's not taking too long. Not quite sure. This was seems like it was short. Anyway. Keep plugging away here. Running out of spots. Well, that's all for the night, I think. Getting pretty tired. Worked a full day today, so this is just after work that I'm doing this. I gotta clean up the tools, and at home I made quite a bit of progress. Just got the benches to take out next. Then this floor, the wood half of the floor, and then this chunk of aluminum. I can't get it out from underneath these walls. I don't want to take this front wall off the cuddy just to get this off, but if I take this board out, then I'll be able to slide it out forward, and then I'll start from the front, start foaming. It's really loud up here when you're sitting up there and boating. Can't hear nothing back here. Look up here, if you can see that, if I'm casting shadow. He only just kind of reached up there and sprayed as far as he could from underneath here, so it doesn't really reach all the way up, and it's one of the main reasons I started pulling it. But I expect to keep this boat for quite a while, so I want to build it right, so I trust it, know it inside and out. I want to change things like this, all these wires and stuff hanging everywhere. That drives me absolutely bonkers. All this junk just strung everywhere, just looks so unpleasant. So I want to make sure everything's good to go. Hope you guys join me for the build.